So today we're going to be talking about practice.
We're talking about practice, man.
Yep.
But we talking about practice, man. What are we talking about? Practice?
That's what I said, practice.
We're in here talking about practice.
Hey everybody, Chris G here from positivelyprogressing.com. Thank you for tuning in. So we've all been there. We've all been in the practice room, not knowing what to do, what to practice, what to focus on, maybe noodling around. Getting stuck in noodle mode and just chasing our tails. So in today's lesson, I'm going to share some practice tips with you on how to improve your productivity when practicing.
Practice?
The very first thing you have to do in order to be productive is to create some goals for your practice sessions. Now make these goals SMART goals. SMART standing for specific, measurable, attainable or achievable, relevant, and time-bound. So an example of a SMART goal might be, I want to learn one chorus of a Charlie Parker solo in 2 weeks. Or I want to learn a 2/5 line that Dexter Gordon played in all 12 keys by the end of the week. So those are SMART goals. Those fit that criteria that SMART stands for. Having some goals in place are going to help you keep track of your progress, and it's going to help you be more productive, and you won't be guessing, what do I do next? What do I do next? You already have something already built out for you that says, I'm going to accomplish this goal, then I'm going to accomplish this goal, and I'm going to keep moving forward and progressing positively. And one more thing about goals. Make sure that these goals aren't just goals that you think you need to do. These goals should be goals that inspire you, that make you want to practice, that make you want to play. That's more important than, saying, I want to play all my scales at 300 or whatever, or, something like that. No, make these goals inspiring to you. Again, make the goals that inspire you to keep playing and having fun. So once you have your goals in place, the next step is pretty simple. Set a timer. So using a timer in your practice sessions is going to really help keep you on task. You're going to have a little more sense of urgency to focus on the things at hand. A timer is also great for when you have limited time. So if you only have 30 minutes to practice, maybe you only do 5 minutes of sound stuff, you do 10 minutes of technique, and then the rest of the time you just work on improv and you work on whatever standard you're working on or whatever your goal is. That's all depending on what your goals are. So those goals are super important because they set up the rest of your practice sessions. So the last thing we're going to talk about is limiting distractions. This might be the most important one since I feel like we're all guilty of being addicted to our devices these days. So put your phone on airplane mode or leave it outside the practice room if you can, if you're not using it for your timer, of course. You'll notice that your sessions will be a lot more focused and you'll accomplish a lot more without any distractions like texting or checking Instagram or Facebook or watching more of my videos on YouTube. Kidding, of course. But keep watching, of course. And that's it. Those 3 tips are going to improve your productivity in the practice room. They're going to focus your practice, and they're going to help you keep progressing as a musician and a person. Just remember, always positive, always progressing. Thank you so much for your time. So real quick, I just got back from the Inside Outside retreat in Nashville, Tennessee. If you want a video on that or you want to hear more about it, please leave a comment below, and I'll make a video about my experience there, all the people I met and what I learned, and give you some feedback on it. Anyways, you guys have a good one. Enjoy those practice tips, implement them as soon as you can, and you will start seeing your musicianship grow tremendously. Thank you so much again. I will talk to you soon. Until next time, later.